Welcome everyone to Bespoke Flooring Solutions Limited in London. Another project. This is kitchen area, and the client is going to build a restaurant here in East London. And this is 6mm plywood that we are installing for the substrate. Cord is gone, and then feathering the joint. If there's an imperfection, that can be smoothed out. Drying it with the heat gun, just a few spots where it takes time to dry. So once that's done, we're gonna rub it down with a block of stone that we have. Small job, we don't have to use our big spinner machine. This is the safety sheet vinyl flooring, and we're cutting the vinyl for the kitchen area. Safety vinyl flooring. And the feather is dry, so we're just going to unroll the vinyl and get in position and start gluing. We're using stick bond F44 made by F-Ball. So the glue is dried, and we've laid the vinyl, which is flat lay, nice and easy. As you can see, we've got a joint here, so we need to groove the joint out, and then once that's grooved, we're going to heat weld it, so it's water sealed. That's the joint screwed, and now we're going to do the heat welding. When it comes to safety vinyl, we always heat weld the joint. We don't hit the original water, will penetrate, and then everything will fail. We normally were supposed to be up and cove work here, but the client couldn't afford it, so we just went with PVC black braces and skirting. Still hygiene, but the welding is done, so we just trimmed it. It's looking nice and smooth. Moving towards the PVC set on the skirting. As you can see, this is the set on the skirting. It's hygiene proven by health and safety, so we can use it in wet area and as well as restaurant areas. And that's the footbed area where it touches the subfloor. As you can see, we've marked up all the wall, and we've dry laid it, cut it all in position, marking the walls. That's done. So we're siliconing the vinyl as well. Make sure if there's any spillage of water, if it finds its way under the skirting, so it doesn't go into the vinyl or under the vinyl. So that's silicone, and then after silicone is dried, we're going to basically simply get the skirting on like that. That was an example. So yeah, F60 is dried. It's an open area, and you can use F60 adhesive here. Otherwise, in a confined area, you shouldn't really use F60. Make sure you've got your masks on as well. It's looking rather beautiful. Skirting is done, and now we're siliconing the footbed, so make sure it's water sealed, and that's it. Job is done, everyone is happy. Beautiful, thank you very much. Don't forget to, yeah.